I will request, Mr. Prime Minister, if I can some words in Ukrainian.
Of course, no, please.
But we have so many time together. You know Ukrainian words.
Oh yeah, by now. To us, and we will be there to support you till the end.
Впевнитись, що виконані наші мрії використовували коректний запалювач.
So look, first of all, we've been very clear, and we've been clear for a long time, that when it comes to the provision of military assistance to Ukraine, nothing is off the table, and that's because we're determined to ensure that Vladimir, the president, and his people can be victorious against Russian aggression. And we've backed up that rhetoric with action. Last year, behind the United States, we were the single largest donor of military equipment to Ukraine, and we said that we would match or exceed that amount, almost £2.5 billion again this year. And you saw when it came to the provision of main battle tanks. We were the first G7 nation. I announced that weeks ago, something that the President and I had discussed previously. It was important in order to ensure that Ukraine could make progress on the battlefield. And I think we helped lead an international conversation which led to many other countries following us and providing main battle tanks to Ukraine.